Good day, everyone. Welcome to Cad-Cafe. Well, on this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the sketch tool, Spline. And already, I suppose you know how to start your part drawing. So, and let's just immediately change our units to mmgs. That's millimeter, grams, and second. Okay, that is that. And then our plane, let's just sketch on this plane, front plane. That's where we doing our sketch. Okay, so and then for the spline tool, okay, if you click on this drop down, we have different types of splines. So we have the first one, the style spline, and equation driven curve. So this other one is actually a little bit advanced, where you have to use equations to, to drive your curve, okay, to derive your curve. So you will stay on this too. So on the first one, let's just go ahead to click on it. You take a point, click on this. And then if I escape, and notice that the spline has been taken the form of a straight line. That's a horizontal line. But if I were to pick the first point, pick the second point, then the third point, and then probably escape, it will take a different form. Now, this line could be actually be adjusted to any form. So you can see the shape that is as if I'm trying to draw a rock. So that's actually one of the easy usage of spline tool. And then let's just apply it to some other forms. Okay. So this could actually be adjusted to this, and then this to this. So you could see that the spline tool could be used to draw any form of shape or diagram with ease. So you didn't need to use so many shapes to form this. So you simply use the spline tool. So let's just say the spline tool is mostly used to draw an irregular shape. So obviously there's no tool that amongst this sketch tool that you actually use to derive this shape. Okay, so other than the spline tool, okay, so it makes the work very much easy. So you can actually adjust this to whatever form you like. And of course, you may try to just to extrude this. Okay, I'll talk about this in our other videos. Okay, so you can actually add a feature to this, make it a 3D or whatever. So that is also. And then for our second the second tool also on the spline, the style spline. Okay, so this is how the style spline is. Okay, let's just go ahead and get rid of this. So that one's okay. So the style plan. So you could see, and this could be adjusted. Then this could be adjusted. This could be adjusted. Adjusted. This could be adjusted. This could be adjusted, and this could be adjusted. Yeah. So you could see that the tool makes you easily flex or change the structure or form of a particular drawing or sketch to whatever desired form. You could see that. So let's just assume you are trying to, let's just take an example. Trying to draw a polygon. So let me do that again. Okay, let me just do it again. So you could see that the difference is actually much clear, and this one takes there's an additional line that is as a guide to the sketch you're actually wanting to sketch. So for instance, the desired sketch here is a circle, okay? Meanwhile, there are lines that are actually set as a guide for me to sketch the circle, okay? So you could see that with this line attached, okay, I could actually sketch the circle appropriately. So these lines are sort of guides to the desired shape of which I want to draw, which is the circle. Okay, so okay, so you could see that the lines here will actually guides to the desired form of which I was trying to draw. So that's actually uh, the basic things you should know about this spline tool. Okay, that's actually all you should know about the spline tool. Okay, and then in our next tutorial, I'll be talking about the ellipses and then other tools. So, and please, you need to take note of these features because we'll be using it in our uh, um, tutorials much later. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any issue or any problem, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's just quickly just do a quick example on how to use a spline. Okay, so let's just go ahead and draw a line, a horizontal line, and let's dimension that to be about 7 inches. And please, we are actually using not using SI unit, so it's not really important for now. And then let's just go ahead to click our spline tool. So we're trying to draw a mountain. So that is how the shape of the mountain is, kind of wavy. So you try to adjust it. Let's assume this is the highest part of the mountain. So this part is a little bit low, and let's make this a valley. All right, that's beautiful. So okay, let's just add a little bit of future to it. So we probably just gonna extrude. Uh, okay. Anyway, never mind. I want to dimension it, but it's not really important for now. So let's just add a feature to it, and then let's make this. You could actually just keep on increasing the number units here, or you just drag this out, and you can actually as well change the direction to the other side. Okay, so let's keep it this way. Right, so you could see how beautiful a mountain is. So this is a quick example of how to use the spline tool. You can actually use the tool to do whatever you want to do, mostly for shapes that are formless. So to achieve shape that or sketches that doesn't really have a form. So you can use your spline tool to achieve that. So thank you very much, and don't forget to follow us, subscribe, and drop any comment if you have any issue. Thank you.